What's up, people? I am in Lapalice, the ghost complex close to the Baltic Sea near Gdansk, but before we start, some history. Due there was no internet near the castle, I decided to read the history later, but I will put it before the walk tour. So, let's go. Lapalice Castle, the unfinished millionaire's dream. Lapalice Castle in Poland is one of the most impressive abandoned construction projects in Europe. Located near Koszalin, it was meant to be a luxurious mansion, but instead turned into a mystical, abandoned site attracting urban explorers. In the 1980s, Polish businessman Piotr Kazimierczak, a woodcaver and furniture factory owner, decided to build a private residence resembling a medieval castle. His ambitious design included 12 towers, symbolizing the 12 apostles, 365 windows, one for each day of the year, 52 rooms, representing the weeks in a year, 7 gates for the days of the week. The castle was supposed to be not only his home, but also a luxurious art gallery and hotel. Why was it never finished? In the 1990s, Kazimierczak ran into financial difficulties. He did not have the proper permits to build such a massive structure, and authorities eventually halted the construction. Current situation. Today, Lapalice Castle is one of Poland's most famous abandoned sites. It has become a popular destination for tourists and urban explorers, although officially entering the castle is forbidden due to safety concerns. Despite this, visitors continue to be drawn to its grand yet unfinished architecture. Let's go! But it is totally unsafe. That complex is huge, but there is nothing special. And a lot of people. See? Yeah. Ir ką galvojat? So what do you think? Here is a huge amount of people, but totally unsafe. I can give 4 points out of 10. It's really nothing special. If you're going through, yes, you can come and enjoy that place. But if you're going directly to visit that place, like I've done, don't waste your time. Already arriving, and where, I will tell you in a moment. 3, 2, 1, and please welcome the Second World War Nazi torpedo station, Babie Doły. Now I am raising a drone, and later on I will read all the history, okay? So I hope drone footage is really nice. And now some history. Torpedownia in Gdynia is a World War II era German military facility located in the Baltic Sea near the city of Gdynia, Poland. It was used for torpedo testing and research related to underwater weaponry. After occupying Poland in 1939, Germany began strengthening its Baltic Sea defenses and expanding its military infrastructure. Several torpedo testing stations were built during this time, with the two most notable being Torpedownia Babie Doły near Gdynia and Torpedownia Jurata near the Hel Peninsula. The Babie Doły torpedo testing station was constructed about 500 meters from the shore and was originally connected to the mainland by a wooden pier. It served as a site for testing torpedoes, which were launched into the sea and monitored for performance. Both inert and live torpedoes were used during these experiments. As the Soviet Red Army advanced in 1945, the Germans abandoned these bases. After the war, the Babie Doły Torpedownia was left unused and gradually fell into ruin. Today, the Babie Doły Torpedownia is a striking abandoned structure in the sea, visible from the shores of Gdynia. It has become a popular spot for photographers, drone enthusiasts and history buffs. However, reaching the building is extremely difficult and dangerous. Its connecting pier has long since collapsed, and the structure continues to deteriorate due to the exposure to water, wind and time. For those wanting to see the ruins, the best viewing points are from Babie Doły beach or Mechelniki village. That's it, people. Hope you like that spot. I like it too, and it's time to move forward. For sure, it's one of the best spots I ever visited, and I would like to stay there for longer period of time, but it's too cold. And I have idea sometime to come here with my kayak during the summertime and to swim over there. So we came here, you see, between Rumia and Reda. We'll stay here overnight, and there is a very strong aqua park. And tomorrow morning I am planning to go there and examine it. You already saw that rotating thing. And now, one beer and some tasties for me and my doggies. Stay tuned. They already took me everything, so we need to taste. We all three are ready. This fish soup is unbelievable. It's like in Mokotowska. 30 out of 10. And you know, pizza also is one of the best I ever tasted in my life. Maybe not the best one, but perfect. If you are traveling through Gdańsk or Gdynia and suddenly you will decide to visit Aqua Park Reda, I can highly recommend you to make a stop in Sapori restaurant. The food is tasty and delicious, and for sure I will come back here once again, sometime. Guten Morgen. It's really early right now, so I decided now to visit Hell. There are a lot of abandoned places. I've been there some time ago, but never checked them out. And on my way back, I for sure visit that water park. I'm interested in how it works when you're starting from the right side and from the center. It is rotating all the time, as you saw yesterday. But how it works, need to test, I think. Michelin. 10 out of 10. 10. Yes, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you, bye-bye. So, good people, I'm very close to Hell already. I will kill my apple pie for now, and it's time to say goodbye. See you in the next episode, and we will explore Hell together very soon. So if you like what I'm doing, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. And please do not disconnect. It will be much more interesting. Bye bye.